Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to do graphic art using Canva application. So I'm using my Android device. You can also use Windows or Mac. Once you open the application, you can choose your desired board size. I'm choosing 4000 into 4000 pixel. Once that is done, go for graphics. I want to do something related to night, so I'm searching night. Once you search the night, click on graphics and you can find plenty of graphics over here. Let's search something for background of our picture. So let's see, we can find something. Yeah, I found this. I'm going to select this one. Once we select that, you can see it on your screen. Let's just fit it correctly with our paper over here. Yeah, that's done. Let's add something else. I'm going to find something from the same graphics. Okay, we are going for northern lights. Once that is done, let's find something else also. Let's go for a grass. Let's find it. Okay, we found it. Once we adjust everything, the picture is looking quite a lot complete, but I do want to add something else into it. So let's search something else in the same graphics. If we don't find it, we'll go for something else. Let's search for a girl. I want to add some person over there. So let's search girl. Let's click on the graphics, and once we are done clicking on the graphics, you can see plenty of graphics coming over here. Let's search for desired picture or graphic. Let's scroll down. Okay, I found one. We are selecting this one. You can select any other also. Let's again, I do want to add something else in it. Let's add dog over there. So search for dog and click on graphics. You can see plenty of graphics over there. Let's select this one. I want to add this one. Let's adjust the size. Now I want to add one more dog over there. So you can see there is an option called magic recommendation. Select one from there, and this is our complete code. So let me know your opinions.